2021 has been such a huge blur for me. Like, I just feel like I haven't done anything this year, honestly. Let me know, what did you guys do? What was your highlights of 2021? Or even you feel like it was just all a blur? Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shambi Krishna, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my 2021 favorites, skincare, hair care, body care, and also some other random favorites of mine. I'm not going to include makeup in today's video because that will take forever. Instead of that, I'm going to make like a separate video on makeup, so stay tuned for that. But in today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you those products that I absolutely love. Okay, so these are not some random products. I'm not going to tell you like each and every single category what you need. For example, sunscreens. Okay, sunscreens were like okay, but I was not that happy about them, so I can't just recommend that sunscreen to you. I mean, it was good, it did a good job, but it didn't like wow me. So I don't want to recommend those kind of products just because I use them. I want to like share with you those kind of products that I absolutely love, which I'm going to like repurchase, or something that I have used a ton of, and I feel really glad that I had these products. That way I'm gonna give you guys like the best of the best like recommendations. Okay, so before jumping onto the video, definitely take a moment to subscribe and hit on the notification bell. So that will help in like boosting up my algorithm. And for everybody who's already subscribed, thanks a lot, and I love you all so much. So now let's get started. Okay guys, so first off, let me start off with some skincare products. So the first product I have here is this Paula's Choice Exfoliate Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, and this is a salicylic acid. Got the sample size or the mini size one before, and I absolutely love this so much. So I just went with this the full size bottle. I mean, I was struggling with severe acne issues in my 2021. I don't know why, like my skin was going through a lot this year, and yeah, thanks to this product, because of this my acne breakout has reduced so much. And also I do have some like very rough texture right over here on my nose, and this product has been helping out really well in getting rid of the texture. I use it only like weekly once or twice, and that's it. Like, it depends on how much active acne I have or how my skin is feeling. This one actually helped me in getting rid of acne, so I highly recommend in case you have acne prone skin, or even in general if you have like large pores, blackhead issues and all of that. This really works. I know this is expensive, okay, but a little goes a long way, definitely, with this one. So yeah, that's for my first product. So the next product I have here is this Cosrx Advanced Nail Mucin Power Essence, and this is actually very nice. Again, if you have dehydrated skin, or if you have used some products and you get like a negative reaction or something, it just helps in like giving that extra hydration and repairing your skin barriers. So again, this product suits all skin types, and especially if you have sensitive skin, definitely check this one out. It is so good. And also, this is my third bottle, so you guys know how much I love this product, so yeah, I highly recommend. Again, the next product I have over here is this Deconstruct Breakout Control Serum, and this is another product which helped me a lot in getting rid of my acne. It kind of stopped me from getting any like further acne. So I used to get a lot of acne, like breakouts every single day, and this actually helped me out in stopping that or reducing that to an extent. Now this, along with the Paula's Choice, is really nice, but after you do all of that, make sure that you're using a nice thick moisturizer, so your skin is getting that hydration that it requires. So next, moving on to moisturizers, I have these two moisturizers with me. The first one is this Bioderma Atoderm moisturizer. You guys know how much I love this product. This is like a very thick intense moisturizer, so if you have extremely dry skin, or if you feel like none of the other moisturizers are giving your skin that hydration it needs, definitely check this one out. You will not be disappointed, and this is my go-to since many years, and that says a lot. If you have dry, irritated, atopic, sensitive skin, or even like rosacea or anything like that skin issues, this product definitely helps to calm your skin down, and it's actually very nice, so do check out. Okay, so the next one I have is this Cosrx Advanced Nail 92 all-in-one cream. It's been only around a week to 15 days since I've been using this product, and I can already say that my skin just feels so nice. It just gives such nice intense hydration, and I have also been seeing some reduction in all of those bumps and those like bumps and texture. If you have extremely sensitive skin, this is something that I would highly recommend, because it just like calms and soothes your skin. So again, I've been loving this product. I use this as a last step in my nighttime skincare routine, or just last second step, before using the sleeping mask. You can use this. It is a little thick, and it has that sort of like a balmy texture, so it just feels like it has like this thin film on your face. So it's really nice. Again, love this product so much, highly recommend. So next skincare product I have is actually the cleansing balm. This is the Plum E-Luminance simple supple cleansing balm. Let me just show you how much I've used this product. I have used like a lot of this product. Look at that. I'm almost out of it, and I already have ordered one more. This is one of the best like affordable cleansing balms that I have used. It just like breaks your makeup and melts your makeup down so well. You guys know I do some really glam looks, and I use a lot of products. So again, this is that product which never fails me. It always like removes my makeup effortlessly. It retails only for rupees 545 and performs so great, and you also get a lot of quantity too. All in all, again, I've been loving this product very much. Okay, the next two products I'll be sharing with you are the lip products. So this is the N Pucker hydrating lip mask with hyaluronic acid, and that's how it looks like. Actually, this is the smaller one, I guess. I have already used so much of this product. Again, I discovered this product the ending of this year. When I first used this product, I did not like it at all because the smell is so bad. But the next day, all the lines on my lips were gone. The next morning, my lips looked very plump and supple, and I was so surprised looking at my lips because it was so amazing, and that's what made me use this product again and again and again. So it does provide a little bit of color onto your lips, but all in all, this is a great product. I like to use it in the night underneath my Lineage lip sleeping mask, and this just works so good. It just, again, as I said, I wake up with really plump and supple looking lips. I also like to use this underneath my liquid lipsticks or any lipsticks. If I feel any lipstick is drying, I do apply this underneath and then apply a liquid lipstick, and it does not make my lips feel dry whatsoever. It doesn't have that much of a hydration, but because that hyaluronic acid present in this, it keeps your lips hydrated for longer times, and I absolutely love this product. I think you definitely have to check it out. So the last skincare product I have is the Lineage lip sleeping mask. I don't know what it is about Lineage that I always end up going back to them. So this is the mint choco variant, and that's how it looks like. It's actually my newer purchase. It smells so nice and minty. I think for summers this is going to be amazing. Right now I'm using the flavor green apple. I still have a little bit left. Lineage always kills it with their packaging and the way it smells, and also this keeps my lips very moisturized. So I really like it. Like, I use it once in the night and once in the morning, and I'm sorted. Like, my lips don't feel dry at all. Now that completes all of my skincare. Now let's move on to body care. Okay guys, so I only have a very few products. I think I have around 3 to 4 products, so I'm just gonna be quickly done. So the first one in body care I have is this Mario Badescu AHA Botanical Body Soap. This is again my recent discovery. So again, I've been using this only from the past 1 month, and let me tell you, this is such a great product. Now this is my second purchase. So I got this from Sephora India, and they had some sale, so I just like stocked up on this. This is a newer bottle. I have one more in the shower right now. Love this product, and I could see results from the very first time I used this. My skin felt so soft, and it was not just soft like how you feel after your scrubbing, like your scrubbing session, you just feel soft, and then the softness is gone the next day. It's not like that. I did have like some like tiny bumps and texture on my arms as well, and even that also this product helped in getting rid of that as well. So it is a great product, you guys. It also has a very mild yet a very pleasant smell. If you just want to make your skin look really nice and smooth, trust on this. I've used so many body scrubs, body wash and all of that, but this one is something very nice. Okay, so next, moving on to body moisturizer or body lotion, I have this one from Nivea. It's called as Oil in Lotion Cocoa Nourished 48-hour Deep Moisture Care. Again, I've been using this product since many years, and it has been working out so well for my dry skin. Even though I have dry skin, I hate products that just makes you feel so heavy and sweaty. I hate that. And some of the body butters that I had got from Body Shop, yeah, it did make me feel like that, and that's why I had to like stop, and I shifted to this product. And ever since I've been using this product, you guys, let me tell you, whichever product I used for the time being, I'm always like come back to this because it is so good, and my skin loves this so much. In winters my skin gets extremely dry, so for that, again, I've been using this one from Plum. It's called as the Plum Body Loving Body Oil Vanilla Vibes, and oh my god, again, this is another great product. I don't like products that make me feel heavy, and this oil is actually sort of like a dry oil, but it's still very hydrating. So what I do is, you can layer this product after you applied your moisturizer, or I just sometimes like mix in this oil with my moisturizer and I apply it once. So it just gives me that intense hydration. I don't have to go in with like second step or anything. And this also has that very light vanilla fragrance. It's just a very mild scent, and it is so good. Yeah guys, that's for my third recommendation for body care. Okay, and the fourth and the last recommendation I have for you is actually this mitt that I got from Amazon. So I'm gonna this time definitely going to provide the link to this, so go ahead and check it out. I've used this for I think 4 times now, and let me tell you, this definitely works. It does make your skin, again, very smooth, and it also removes any of the excess buildup and all that gunk from your body. Like once you start scrubbing, that black stuff comes out from your body, and it just feels so good. Like, it's just the most satisfying thing. They do claim a lot of things with this, but I have to say it is working out so well. Now, if you have dry skin, mostly the number one thing that you have to do is exfoliate, because sometimes you might be feeling dry because of that, that extra layer of your dry skin. And yeah, definitely give this one a try. It's so good. Again, absolutely worth the price. I think it was for around 580 or 600, somewhere around in that price point, and I think it's absolutely worth the price. For next, moving on to hair care. Now, coming to shampoos, you guys know how much I love the Vela Nutri-Rich shampoo. That is like my go-to shampoo. Now, currently I have been trying out like a lot of shampoos, but this year like nothing actually impressed me a lot. My hair type is extremely wavy to curly sort of a hair type, and it's very, very dry as well. But moving on to hair mask, I don't have, again, currently I don't have it right now with me. I'm just gonna put the picture on the screen. This is from Tresemme. It just makes my hair very smooth and manageable, and also gives a nice hydration. So every single time I use this product, my hair doesn't feel too dry. It just is helping out a lot in like maintaining my hair and not making my hair dry or anything. So it's really nice product. Definitely check out. Again, the price is very, I think it comes around like 500 something price point. It is very, very affordable too. So that's something that I absolutely love this year. So next products I have are the heat protection mist. This is a Tresemme Keratin Smooth Pro Collection heat protection spray. I'm someone who does straighten my hair on a regular basis. Some heat protection sprays, it just makes your hair very brittle, very rough and crispy, and or sometimes they can also make your hair very, very greasy and stuff. But this one, nothing of that happened. It is a very nice product. And the next product I have over here is this Wella Thermal Image heat protection spray. I think this was my 2020 favorite as well. This is my 4th or 5th bottle. I have like used up so many bottles of this. It is so good. I only use these two, heat protection mist every single time I want to like style my hair, and it works so well. Okay, the next one I have here is actually the hair brush. I actually got this like 2 years back, and when I ordered this product, I didn't think I would use this much. You guys know I do like sleek buns and like sleek hairstyles all the time, and this is that one brush which helps me out in getting that that smooth sleek finish. I just use this brush, take a hairspray, spray on the bristles, and I just like comb out, and it just gives a nice sleekest look ever. So again, a very handy product. I really, really like it, and this from the brand Icon. So I've been using this Mamaearth's Tea Tree hair mask for my dandruff issues in monsoons, and during this time of the month my scalp just gets so itchy, and I have used so many products. I've used those stinky like shampoos as well, and it does nothing for my hair. It dries out my hair even more, and it also smells so bad. And this product has definitely been helping out in getting rid of that itchiness. This is the 3rd repurchase I made. I'm not a huge fan of Mamaearth, but this product is really nice, and again, I've been using this since many years now, and it works so well. So next I have these two hair serums. Actually, both of them perform pretty much very similarly, so you can use you can buy either or, and these are both like my repurchases. So the first one I have is the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. So I first got introduced to this product when they sent it to me for some campaign, and I was a little skeptical about this one, but ever since I tried out this product, it is so good. It just like instantly gives that nice hydration to my hair, and also keeps my hair a little like manageable. So really, really love it. Again, you can use this before your hairstyling or after your hairstyling, however you want. If you feel like your hair is extremely dry, you can also use it that time. And again, I have loved this so much. Again, as you guys can see, I only have a very tiny amount left. The next one I have is the Matrix Opticare Smooth Proof Professional Split End Serum. The consistency and everything feels very similar to the L'Oreal one, and actually these are the two serums that I've been using non-stop, so I just thought of telling you guys. And the last product I have for my favorite hair care is this one. This is the Dyson Airwrap, and this is the brush I use. I've had this since 2 years now. One thing that really I loved about this product is that ever since I've been using it, I don't feel like my hair is very frizzy or very dry. I also had like breakage issues because of constantly using so much of heat, and I don't have any of that now. Like, I'm really glad that I have this product with me, because compared to a regular blow dry, this is very simple to use and very easy and quick. Again, I really love this very much. So now let's talk about some random favorites of mine. The first first one I want to show you guys is this beautiful bag. Let me just go back a little. It's from the brand called as Zook, and on Instagram they're called as Zook Online. This is such a beautiful, abstract tote bag. Look at that, that brown straps and that detailing. Also have given this zipper right on the back. Just keep your change or your phone or anything like that, which will be very handy. You also get like 2 pockets in the front. So this is how it opens, you guys. Again, can you see the material inside too is so nice. Again, you get one more zipper right over here, and also down here, you get these. So whenever you're placing it down somewhere, your bag doesn't get dirty or anything. I either like small like sling bags, or I like such big tote bags. Again, this is so good. It's so sturdy. It doesn't get it's not like a flimsy bag. It has a nice shape to it as well. I traveled last time to my native, I think 20 days back, and I did carry this bag. I could stuff like so much in here. Like, again, you guys, this has been my favorite. My mom also carried this once. Even my mom also loves this bag so much. And again, if you go on their website, they have so many different varieties for every single customers. Like if you want a tote bag, you have that. If you want a duffel bag, you have that. If you want a sling bag, you have that. They have so many different options. Again, it's such a beautiful bag. I don't have anything like this in my collection, and I absolutely love it. And this bag is very lightweight too. So right now they have really great discounts on these bags, and on top of that you'll get 15% off if you use this code of mine. Again, definitely check them out. They're so nice. Okay guys, so next moving on to my favorite nail paints. I have 3 of them. Okay, the first one, whenever I wear this, you guys always ask me, and this is from the brand called as OPI. And it's in the shade Barefoot in Barcelona. Such a beautiful nude color. Looks absolutely stunning on like I would say tan dusky skin tones. It looks really pretty. Sometimes with nail paints, you know what, I don't use them a lot, okay, and they just dry up after a few months. But this one doesn't happen like that. I think I had this like for about 1.5 years now, and it's still pretty good, you guys. So, and I know OPI is a little expensive, but it's totally worth the money. And the other 2 nail paints I have are actually from K Beauty. The first shade I have here is called as Nutty. As you all can see, this is such a pretty, just like a beige nude color. The previous one has a little hint of that pinkness to it, but this one is just beige. Again, so many people say that Nykaa nail paints are really nice, but for some reason Nykaa nail paints don't work out on my nails. It immediately cracks and breaks down the nail paint. Every single time I use it, this happens. But again, this particular nail paint is so good. It stays beautifully on my nails at least for a week, and it doesn't like chip off or break off or anything like that. So I really love this. And also the shade Nutty is beautiful. And next, from the same K Beauty, we have the shade called as Bittersweet in number 22. Again, this is such a pretty color, as you all can see. It has a little hint of that that pink undertone to it. Yeah guys, this is the difference between the two. As you all can see, this is a lot beige, but this one is a little it has that mauve like a hue to it. PI is a little more darker. So that's how it looks. Okay, in 2021 I think these are the most used nail paints, and again, you guys tend to like them, so I thought of mentioning it. So lastly, let's also talk about candles, because that is something that I've been burning a lot this year. I have 2 Bath and Body Works candles. The first one here we have is called as Sweater Weather, and that's how it looks like. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful smelling candle. It has this really nice refreshing scent. It is so good, you guys. Trust me, every single time I light this candle, it just gives like a nice positive feeling, and I absolutely love it. I got this last year, and ever since then I've been burning this sparingly, because I know how much I love this candle. I didn't want to like finish it off. And also with Bath and Body Works candles, you don't have to burn them for a longer time. Your entire room will be like filled up in like those 10 and 15 minutes, and also the smell lingers on for a very long time. And the other one that I absolutely love from Bath and Body Works is this one. It's called as Paris Cafe. This looks like coffee, right? Like cappuccino or something. It smells like a cafe. Like when you enter like a nice cafe, you just get that sniff of the fresh coffee brewing. That's exactly how it smells like. It's a very strong smelling candle, and I really like it. Again, I love coffee scents, and it doesn't give me any headaches or anything like that. It's just so good, and I absolutely love this too. And next we have this Miniso's scented candle. I got this around Diwali. I really like it. Look at how much I've used it up. For small space, it is good. It is not as strong as a Bath and Body Works, but it still works. Again, it has that nice, refreshing, like a sweet, fruity fragrance. It is so good. And those are the 3 that I've been burning back to back. So those were my 2021 skincare, hair care, body care, and some random favorites. And I'm definitely going to be doing like makeup favorites separately in a separate video. And so yeah guys, that completes today's video. Definitely go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell. It will be of great help. So I'll see you guys in 2022. Bye.